See now, in figure 1, compare the line segments in figure 1 using a divider and fill in the blanks using symbol greater than or equal to or less than. Okay, now see here, AB and AD. Check out AB measurement with this is the divider. Okay, keep one pointer at A, another point at B. Okay, this is AB. Okay, now this compare it to AD. So don't change the here. What about this? Which one is greater? AB is greater. AB is greater than AD. Okay, like that. CD. Now compare CD. So CD, okay. What about AC? AC is this. So measure AC. CD is greater than AC. CD is greater than AC. Now compare AC and BD. Okay, this is AC. Okay, which one is greater? BD is greater. So AC is lesser. AC is lesser than BD. Next, AO. Okay, this is AO. What about this one? Both are equal. AO and CO are equal. Now, AB. Okay, this is AB. Now calculate CD. Both are equal. AB and CD are in equal measurement. Okay, now AD. This is AD. So what about this? Both are equal. AD and BC are also equal. Okay, do like that in textbook only. No need to do in the copy. Next one. See the question number 2. The endpoint A of a line segment AB at 3 centimeters mark of a ruler and B is at 7.4 centimeter. Okay. First of all, draw a line segment. Okay. 7.4 centimeter is marked with B. Okay. 3 marked at A. Okay. So up to here the line segment measurement is 7.4. This is line segment. Okay, no need to put arrow. So this total is 7.4 centimeter and here to here 3 centimeters given. Okay. So what is the length of the AB? How can we find? So total length minus this length. Okay. Line segment AB equal to, name it as O. Okay. So B minus OA. OB equals to how much? 7.4 centimeter minus OA equals to 3 centimeters. OA equals to 3 centimeter. So 7.4 minus 3 equals to 4.4 centimeter. So what is the length of the line segment AB? 4.4 centimeter. Question number 2, do in the copy. Okay. And next, question number 3. In figure 2, verify by measurement that PQ plus QR equal to PR. Okay. Take a ruler. First of all, you can measure PQ. PQ equals to how much? 0.6 centimeters. Like that you can measure QR also. One, 2, 2.5. This is 2.8. Now measure PR, P to R. 1, 2, 3, 3.4. So here to here 3.4. Now right here. PQ equals to 0.6 plus PR equal to 2.8 equal to 3.4. 2.8 plus 0.6 equal to 3.4. So 3. Therefore verified. Okay. Like that do the question number 4 also. Okay. Like that do question number 4. Now see the question number 5. Find the shortest and the longest line segments in figure 4a with the help of divider. Okay, see. AB equals to how much? Measure with ruler. Okay. One, 2, 3.4. Okay. This is 3.4. And next. BC. BC is 2.9. And measure this. This is 2.2. This is 2.5. So which is the shortest one and which is the longest one? By observation we know BD is the shortest one. BD is the shortest. Figure 4a, shortest line segment. Shortest line segment is BD. Longest line segment is AB. Okay, do like that. Question number 2. Okay, 4b. Now question number 6. Measure the sides of the triangles in figures 5a, 5b, 5c. Check in each if the sum of the lengths of any two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, so use ruler, no problem. So what is the measurement here? It's 2.2. It's 2.9. And it's 2. Okay, what is given? If the sum of the lengths of any two sides, okay, figure 5a, AB equals to 2 centimeters, BC equals to 2.9 centimeter, AC equals to 2.2 centimeter. Okay, sum of the lengths of any two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, now prove it. AB plus BC is greater than AC or not? AB plus BC is greater than AC or not? AB plus BC, AB equals to how much? 2 centimeters. BC 2.9 centimeters. AC equals to 2.2 centimeters. Okay, so 2 centimeters plus 2.9 is 4.9. 4.9 is always greater than 2.2. Okay, like that find out the remaining sides also. Means BC plus AC is greater than AB. BC equals to how much? 2.9. 2.2 greater than 2. 2.9 plus 2.2 is 5.1 centimeter is greater than 2. Okay, like that third side, compare the remaining two sides. Means AB plus AC is greater than BC. AB equals to 2 centimeters, AC equals to 2.2. AC equals to 2.2 greater than 2.9. So 2 plus 2.2 is 4.2 centimeters is greater than 2.9 centimeters. Therefore verified. Okay, so first of all, for question number 6, first of all, measure the line segments of AB, BC and AC. Okay, already given sum of the lengths of any two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, so you can compare the first, find out the sum of the two sides, check out is it greater than the third side or not. Like that, find remaining sides. Do the remaining two problems like this.